Hi, my name's Jürgen. This is a short tutorial on Sales Cloud. What is Sales Cloud? What is Sales Cloud? And then now they no longer have Salesforce, so they have Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, and then there's derivatives, Pardot, Marketo, all these tools. There are different classes of tools. That's how I suggest you view them. Sales Cloud is Salesforce optimized for sales. For different processes, the processes are controlled by record types. You can create a record type, a door record type for selling doors, right? So if somebody comes in, you can link to the door record type a whole process. Or maybe it'll include a hinge quote, a painting, the color, the door type. Is it fireproof? Is it whatever? What kind of lock do you need, right? That's the record type controls that. So Sales Cloud is optimized for typically outbound sales. And that includes the same set of tools, very often like a dialer tool, voice over IP, phone burner, UMA, Ring Central, and that's Sales Cloud. It's optimized for, and it's related between the different objects, meaning account object, contact object, opportunity object, product object. That's Sales Cloud. Sales Cloud is Salesforce optimized by process to sell, business to consumer, business to business, or whatever. And that's it. That's Sales Cloud.